Page 28, Clear Skies. At the top of the page, they're introducing you to a two-note slur. You already know what a slur is. That curved line, you're just connecting notes within the slur. We've had that already. Well, a two-note slur is simply a slur that lasts for two notes. And the idea here is it's usually a down-up motion. So you're down on the first note and up on the second. It's just a nice, interesting wave. You just take any notes, it doesn't matter. And it's just 2 and 3 to start. And it's a... The two-note slur is just whatever. The kicker here is, first off, don't cut the second note too short. Some people teach that. I don't. Unless the second note is staccato, I'm going to hold it out, but I am going to disconnect it. So I'm disconnecting it here. Okay. And which fingers you use depends on the music, what's needed. And then the rhythm, be careful on this because it's easy to get it off. They have to be even rhythmically. It's 1, 2, 3. Because it's easy to go, boom. You got getting off now. No, keep it even. Well, let's look at Clear Skies. I look it over, it's 2 lines long with a repeat. Treble bass clef, 4/4 time signature. I see a bunch of quarter notes and half notes and whole notes. Okay. It looks like the left hand's playing the first line and the right hand's playing the second. Okay. So first I want just make sure I got the notes and rhythms okay. So the left hand starts thumb here. And you go. And I trust you know the names of these notes now. If you don't, do that play it and say it drill. And drill yourself on the names of the notes in the music. You need to know them instantly. Second line, the right hand's third finger here, that's here. So we're still in middle C position. That's fine. Okay, so once I have the notes and the rhythms, then I'll go back over it carefully and get rid of any hesitations. Hesitations are a killer. Get rid of them. And once I do that, I'll add the articulation. Here we have staccatos and those two-note slurs. Flex the wrist staccato. Between measures 2 and 3, you lift just a hair of silence. Don't connect it. There are times we will, but not right now. And then the right hand, same thing. Now, after the articulation, I add the dynamics. Here, it's P at the beginning is soft, and you notice the second line, they give you an F. Now the second line is loud. So this is soft, whatever you think soft is. And the second line is heavy. Second line. Yeah. How loud, it's up to you. Don't get carried away. It's just loud. So finally, we get 2 different dynamics going on here. It's not just the same thing all the way through. And then the speed, well, jauntily, again, is not a speed. It's kind of a happy little thing. And Clear Skies. Clear Skies is supposed to be happy? I guess. They give you a metronome, but that's just an approximate. Whatever you think it is. Now, once you can play this okay, at least slowly with no hesitations, let's play it together and double check that you have the right notes and the right rhythms. So I'll give us 4 counts. Now, I don't do dynamics in Play With Me. The louds and softs, no, we're not performing it. I'm just playing the notes. You can do the dynamics on your own. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, repeat. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, off. I like to do the duet at the bottom, so let's try that. And I'm going to speed it up quite a bit, and I need you to go up on the keyboard again. So just pretend the middle C on the keyboard instead of here is up here, and instead of here, you're up here, and play it up here. Play it all up here. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.